Question number 6 says that 3 coins were tossed 30 times simultaneously. Each time the number of heads occurring was noted. So this is the data that we have about the number of heads occurring. We have to prepare a frequency distribution table for the data given above. So we make a table wherein we have number of heads, tally marks, and the frequency of occurrence. So we can have different possibilities as seen from the data which is given to us, that head may not occur at all, that is 0 times. Head may occur once, that is 1 time. It may occur 2 times, so 2, or it may occur in all the 3 coins, so it can be 3. So now let's see what is the frequency associated with the different cases that we have. So for 0, the frequency is 6, so we write tally marks as 6. And the frequency is 6. For 1, that is the head occurred only in one of the coins, is 10, so we write the tally marks as 10. And so for the frequency, that is 10. Head occurred 2 times, 9 number of times, so we write the tally marks as 9. And so the frequency is 9. And finally, we have head occurring in all the 3 coins 5 times, so the tally marks is 5 and the frequency is also 5. So if we sum this up, that is the frequency of occurrence, we get a total of 30. So that tells us that we have not missed on any of the data point, and this is how we prepare a frequency distribution table for the data which was given to us.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.